everyone, today we are unboxing some pencils I ordered last week from AliExpress, so let's get into it. So first off we have the bubble wrap. And once that's gone we have a free gift, just a basic ballpoint pen in blue. So opening the box, obviously we have some bubble wrap to protect it at the top. Okay, and back to the video. First up we have a white pencil. In my opinion, I think they are very high quality, and as a bonus, not many mechanical pencils have this, but the mechanical nib actually tucks away inside to be safe from any damage or when it's no longer being used. The next colour is grey, which is my favourite out of the three, and lastly we have the black one. Surprisingly, in the box we have plenty of extra leads. These are very high quality leads again in my opinion, and luckily 5 of them come in the pack included. Once again, this only cost around £3-4 plus shipping from AliExpress, and it came within a week. So I'm very happy with this purchase and I hope you enjoyed this video. So that's it for today, and make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.